and welcome to this video, introducing the dashboard. The dashboard is a Logi Info super element. It provides an organized arrangement of visualizations in tabs and panels. Like all super elements, they have a built-in user interface and specialized functionality. Let's get started. A Logi dashboard is a collection of dashboard panels, each containing a data visualization, like a table, chart, gauge, etc. This is a sample dashboard that we are going to customize today using data from the AdventureWorks database. A dashboard can be configured to allow end users to customize it at runtime by adding, removing, or rearranging its panels. A dashboard can also be configured to have tabbed edges so that different collections of dashboard panels can be viewed. Dashboard panel content is interactive and end users can be allowed to vary the data criteria for them at runtime. Links within the panels and visualizations can be used to drill down and drill through supporting data. Dashboards present a very flexible way of presenting a range of information that's easy to take in with a single glance. This is a blank dashboard page. To add panels to this dashboard, first click on the settings icon at the top left. Then click Add Panels. A box will appear with all the panels you have created. These can be sorted by newest, oldest, and by their title. You can also search for a panel by name. To add a panel to the dashboard, simply click the Add button below the title. Then click Done. You can see that the panel is now added to this dashboard. I will now add all the panels in the same way. A dashboard or tabs layout usually consists of one or more columns, and if the dashboard is configured to be adjustable, users can drag and drop the panels into the columns in the arrangement of their choice. Using the tabs gear icon, click Change Layout. Change the number of columns to 3 and click Done. You can now drag and drop the panels by clicking on the panel's caption bar. Note the cursor change. When a panel is dragged into a different column or position, a drop-zone indicator appears to help snap the panel into its new location. In a column layout, panels will automatically resize based on the width of the column they're dropped into, and the column's width is determined by the widest panel it contains. If the contents of a panel are widened, then the panel in its column will widen too. Depending on your application's configuration, a freeform layout option may be enabled. If it's enabled, which it isn't in this example, users can resize and rearrange dashboard panels without regard to any predetermined columns. We can also add a name to this dashboard by clicking the gear icon again and clicking Rename Tab. We will name this tab AdventureWorks. Simply type in the name and click Enter, or click anywhere on the screen. Dashboard panels are the basic building blocks of the dashboard and can be added programmatically or dynamically at runtime. Panels have a caption and content that may be configurable by users at runtime in other ways. If the dashboard is adjustable, a panel can have its caption changed or be removed from its dashboard via its settings menu. For example, we can change the name of this panel to Sales by Category. Simply type the new name and click Enter. If the panel has been created with parameters, users can adjust the parameter values, affecting the panel content. To adjust the parameters, click the settings icon and click Edit. For this heat map, you can filter based on product subcategory. If you click Bike Shorts, you can see that the panel was filtered to only show the bike shorts sales data. You can hover over the columns to see the product name, unit price, and total amount. To turn it back to the original heat map, simply click the settings icon again and select All. In the definition, the panel element creates a dashboard panel. Its panel content and panel parameters, child elements, are used to create and configure the panel. You may decide that certain panels work better in a different tab. You can create a new tab by clicking the plus icon in the upper left-hand corner. A new tab is created, and you are then prompted to select which panels you'd like to add. Like we learned earlier, we can rename this tab and rearrange the panels. You can then remove the tab using the Settings menu again. Thank you for joining us for this video, introducing the dashboard. Have a great day!